the Bangladeshi minister Hassan ul Inu has claimed that Pakistan's intelligence agency ISI's role is trying to destabilize Bangladesh by strengthening the roots of Islamic terrorism in Dhaka, stressing on the role of ISI besides the Lashkar-e-Taiba. He has said that Pakistan's ISI is trying to destabilize Bangladesh from the time that Bangladesh became independent, and these aspects cannot be ignored. So the relationship between terror in Bangladesh and its support by Pakistan has been established way back as well in the Holy Artisan bakery attack in Dhaka that killed nearly 20 people. This assault, of course, was carried out with the support of the ISI. Now today, of course, we are hearing another comment coming in from the Bangladeshi minister, Hassan ul Inu, who's claimed that Pakistan's agency, the ISI, is trying to destabilize Pakistan continuously, but Bangladesh continuously. Let's go across to Gursimran, who's joining us live for more on this. Gursimran, explain to us what the minister has actually said and the linkages that he has spoken about.
See, what Hassan ul Inu has said, who held the portfolio of Information and Broadcasting Minister in Bangladesh government, is very important because it has been proved time and again. You see the blast that happened in 2016 in the Posh Bakery of Dhaka, and after that it came into being during investigation that the terrorists of Jamaat-ul Mujahideen Bangladesh, which is a so-called local terror outfit backed by the Pakistan and ISI, it was established that the terrorists who carried out this attack in 2016 in Bangladesh, they went to Pakistan and then on the directions of the ISI to Afghanistan to get the training to carry out these kind of terror strikes. And even in the recent past, as being claimed by the minister who held the portfolio of Information and Broadcasting, Hassan ul Inu, that the ISI, the Pakistan Intelligence Agency, is trying to destabilize Bangladesh. They are trying to strengthen their roots in Dhaka so as to destabilize Bangladesh. So this is a serious concern not only for the Bangladesh but also for the international community, that how Pakistan not only is trying to destabilize India but also Bangladesh. They are making desperate attempts. Their role has been proved time and again even by the Bangladeshi authorities. We have seen how Pakistan was exposed after 2016 attacks when it came officially on record that it was Pakistan that was behind the Dhaka bakery blast, and in which more than 20 people lost their life. And now a statement coming from a person like Hassan ul Inu, who held the portfolio of Information and Broadcasting Minister, that is something the international community also needs to take cognizance of.
Absolutely, and as you're pointing out, this is not the first time that something like this has come out. In the past also, we have seen Bangladesh continuously accuse Pakistan of trying to destabilize it. Thank you very much for joining us on this, Gursimran.